Hey guys, today I'm doing an open house for my condo in the city of Moreno Valley. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 1,600 square feet. Great layout. It's got a nice patio cover, perfect for your outside table and barbecue. There's a bedroom downstairs. Here's the full bathroom. It's been freshly painted. This property qualifies for down payment assistance programs or grants. For more information, you can call or text 951-500-8783. Here's your second bedroom, second bathroom, laundry area, and a nice and spacious primary bedroom. This property is also located minutes from Lake Perris. It's got plenty of guest parking, and you have access to the lake and swimming pool.